Hey guys, Rich Bassi, your YouTube vlogger creator here. Today I want to talk about this right here. It's the K9 wireless microphone. I picked this up off of TikTok and I want to talk a little about it. I want to just enlighten you guys a little before, if you ever come across a deal like this again. But before we get started, I just want to say welcome to my channel. This is the first time hitting it. And I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. Hope you like the content. Hope you like me and you'll come back for more. And this video is being created with Filmora 12. Yes, believe it or not, I got this here from TikTok. They had an offer. It was like I don't know how long it was. Like they had it for a trial run. So many days it was going to expire, whatever. I got this for 99 cents. Now, what I noticed about it, it looks like the lavalier mics. And we're going to open it up. We can do a little unboxing here. And they also sent me this universal clip here with the different lens attaches here, lens attachments. Ooh, we can't talk. Yeah, you got this. This came with it as an incentive. Between the two of these here, with the shipping, with the price of this here, this was a freebie. Came to shipping was $4.95 or something like that. So, and this here I picked up at my local thrift store a while back. It's got all these different lenses in there, and I think I did a video on it showing you on the iPhone 8 what they look like, the fisheye lens, wide angle lens, so on and so forth. But if you haven't seen that, check it out. I'm gonna have to do it again. I'm not sure. I don't know. But this is what, all I know is this is what I got with the purchase of the K9. This here, for free. All right, let's move this to the side here. And what I want to talk to you guys about is this. I got my paper over here, and it's got the order number. And yes, the microphone was for 99 cents. Okay, the order place, when it was a TikTok advertisement. And that, I purchased this here back in February of this year, 2023. And with the shipping, plus the shipping came to $4.99, total $595. $598. Now, I want to say one thing with this here. There's always like a little gimmick to it. Not a bad way, not a good way either, but if they don't tell you, you're going to be surprised, okay? What happens is when you make a purchase from this company, I think it's called MicroPro company, is the company that has it. What happens is if you don't cancel, there's a program they have there, a subscription service. And if you don't cancel it, you will be billed at $39.38 every month. So if you ever come across a deal like this from TikTok, and the company's called MicroPro, make sure you inquire about that, or else you're going to be getting hit every month. Well, you can cancel that, hopefully. I did. I made sure it was canceled before it even started. And or else you're going to be billed $39.38. So just keep that in mind. I don't know if they're going to still run these sales. I don't think so. I haven't seen them on TikTok in a while. Like I said, this came back at this came out. This offer was in February 2023 this year. But anyway, let's do an unboxing. Let's leave this paperwork over here. Let me move to cam 4, and we're going to take it out over here. So it comes. Wireless microphone. Now you're probably saying, if you got it back then, why are you doing it now? It's one of these things I left on the shelf. I don't recall doing it. I said I was going to do it. I kept putting it off. I know, right? Months later, I'm doing it now. Anyway, they give you a little, what do you call it? The user guide here. It's written, I think, in 2 languages, English and Chinese. Right? Yeah. And it basically tells you to set up over here and so on and so forth. We don't need to get into that there. All right. So we're going to leave that over here. This is how it looks. Okay, like that there, and it's packed nice. It's packed pretty good. This is the microphone. Pull it out here. This is it, right here. It looks like a lavalier, right? And they're not that expensive. I'll show you on eBay what they're going for. It's a joke. It really is. All right, and this is the receiver. Okay, this is the receiver, and in this box, of course, you know what it is. It is the charging cable. If I can get it out of here, this is the charging cable. So let's put this to the side over here. We don't need to see that right now. And this is the charging cable. Okay, so this cable here is dedicated for this microphone, the wireless microphone, and you would plug this into your USB. Okay, so I have a USB port on the front of my computer, so I'm lucky that way. You just plug it in and just leave it on the side there. And what's nice about this with this receiver, you have a connection slot here, and what's nice about that is when you plug this into your, well, in my case, my iPhone, like this, right? If I don't want to keep taking this receiver out all the time, you can see the light blinking there. See it? You see it blinking? There you go. What's nice about this here is you could plug in your cord that you use to charge your phone. You could plug it in here, like that, and then you could plug this into your computer. For my case, the computer right now I'm at 100%, and this would charge. You could charge your phone through the receiver as well. Okay. All right. So now, in order to make it work, let's put this on the side here. We don't need this cable here. What we're going to do is we're going to power on this here. And the button's right back over here. See it here? You're going to power it on. Hold it. You're going to hold like that there. Now when that light goes on, hold on, I think I'm not holding it right. There we go. When it stays on green like that, you're good to go. Okay? And this here, you know, now the thing is, I noticed one thing I got to honestly say with this here. Usually when it's a wireless device, you would see it on the phone, and I noticed there was something that picked up here on the Bluetooth, and it says selfie not connected. Now, I don't know if they called this a selfie, and then I got one that says lightning. I'm not sure which one it is because there's 3 things here to connect to it, but I noticed it was working regardless without these things being connected here. Okay, it says connection unsuccessful. The unit is turned on. There's no buttons to turn on here, so once you plug it in, you would think it would get set up on your phone here, especially the Bluetooth. And I tried lightning, I tried selfie. Lightning, it just spins around and stuff like that there, so there's really no connection with this here. So you're probably wondering, well, how's this thing going to sound? We're going to do a test on that now, like I said. Okay, let me go over here. Yeah, right now I'm checking out, it says unconnected. Now I got some other ones here that these things that popped up on my phone have nothing to do with this mic whatsoever. So I think you could just, you know, avoid that setup process. I don't think it's nothing there to set up. Okay, so, and that's on the Bluetooth feature. Okay, so let's let me take this out first. Okay, I might have to do it on the computer, you know, like on the within the video editing software. And I'm going to go to over here. Where is it? To camera. And I'm going to go to video. And I'm going to go to me. I just put me on there. You can't see me like that there. You know, it's too small to see. Anyway, and I'm just going to say testing 1 2 3. And we're going to see how it sounds here. Okay, just a little audio test to see how good this is. Now the reason why that's blinking, I don't know if you can see it blinking. Oh, you can't see it blinking like that there. Which camera am I on here? I don't even know which one I'm on here. Oh, it's the other one. That's why you can't see it. I got 5. Excuse me, guys. I got 5 Logitech webcams here. Anyway, it's blinking green and red. Let me show you. See it? There you go. All right. That's because I pulled the receiver out. All right. So let's go back over here and let's do an audio test on it. We'll let that blink. Once you put that in, it should be okay. All right. So we're gonna try it out. I'm going to play it. And let you guys hear how it sounds. All right. Hi guys. This is a test. My name is Rich Bassini. This is a test 1 2 1 2. This is a test 1 2 1 2. Play it back. Hi guys, it's a test. My name is Rich Bassini. This is a test 1 2 1 2. This is a test 1 2 1 2. Okay, that's how it sounds without the mic. Now we're going to put the mic in, plug the receiver in. Receiver's beeping. The green light stopped blinking, and we're going to put this on my shirt over here. There it is. All right, so let's test it again. Let me go back over here. Now it is plugged in over here on the. You can see the receiver's on the phone here. Okay, and we're going to try it out. The little red light's there. It's now the red light is on solid now. It's not blinking for what I can see. It's solid. All right, so let's do a video test on here now and see how it sounds. Okay. Yeah. And hit the record. Hi guys, this is Rich Bassini. This is a test 1 2 1 2. This is a test 1 2 1 2. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Let's see how it sounds now with this. Whoops. Go back over here. This is Rich Bassini. This is a oh brother, hold on guys. Sorry. Test 1 2 1 2. This is a test 1 2 1 2.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
It doesn't sound too bad.
Record. Hi guys, this is Rick Bassini. This is a test 1 2 1 2. This is a test 1 2 1 2. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
That's what it sounds like. Let's go back to let's take this out and let's go over here.
Hi guys, this is Rick Bassini. This is a test 1.
Let me go back to the other one first. Let's go back to the very first one.
Hi guys, Rick Bassini, your YouTube blogger.
Oh, we don't want that one.
Hi guys, it's a test. My name is Rich Bassini. This is a test 1 2 1 2. This is a test 1 2 1 2.
Okay, that's with the microphone that's built into the iPhone. Let's try the other one here.
Record.
Okay.
Hi guys, this is Rick Bassini. This is a test 1 2 1 2. This is a test 1 2 1 2. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
Well, that's what it sounds like with the microphone on here. It's not too bad. I mean, it's okay. I guess if you're doing videos, like if you're going to do YouTube short videos, it's probably good, I guess. I don't know. I think, to be truthfully honest with you, I kind of like the way I like the mic that's built in here. This little one is okay. It's not bad. Just power it off for now. In order to power it off, you got to hold for so many seconds and it goes off. Look what they're going for over here. Check this out. Check it out. I know they have them over here. They got the wireless lavalier. These look like the lavalier, to be honest with you. I'm looking at it right now in person. It looks just like the lavalier. Then you got Essential K9 wireless one here, $25, and different prices, $10.99, $10.98. This one here is $10, and this one here you get this here in stock. It's $19.99, right? Mr. Liquidation with everything. Tax, delivery, it comes to $26. Well, that's all I have for you right now, guys. If you got a little takeaway from that video and you think it helped in any way, let me know what you think. I kind of like it. I think they're pretty good. I did some other testing. I went outdoors with stuff like that. I got to say one thing, all honest, with the iPhone, testing it with the iPhone and the microphone there, they do have these do have the noise cancellation on there, and I was walking past the air conditioning unit outside. With the iPhone microphone, you can hear the air conditioning going on. With this here, there is noise cancellation. It's really quiet. There is a quietness in that there. If I get a chance, I'll put the video at the end of this clip here so you can get an idea what it's all about. But the noise cancellation here is pretty good. It's not that bad. And the other thing I want to say too, when it does get uploaded to the system through, like I said, I do all my video editing with Filmora. You could always enhance the voice quality on it. Let's put it that way. I always use, when I do my videos with Filmora 12, I always like the Sparkle one. It's called Sparkle for the audio sound, and it's got a nice sound to it, crisp, clear, pretty clear. And you could do the same thing when you're uploading your iPhone information, the videos up to the Filmora 12. You could do the same thing. You can enhance the audio on there and make it sound really nice. So it all depends. But I will say this: using the microphone, the K9 wireless microphone. I know Filmora's got all that built-in noise reduction, all that other stuff there. This kind of takes that work right out of it. You don't have to sit there playing around because there is a difference between the iPhone microphone and the wireless one. Like I said, this one here, when you're out there doing a live video shoot, you can hear it hiss. Like if you know the air conditioner, you could hear it. You could hear a lot of sound like that noise out there, But with this here, it was pretty quiet, I have to honestly say. I'm going to run the clips at the end of the video, and you decide for yourself. You're going to notice me in there squinting in it because I was facing the sun when I was doing it. So, sorry about the squinting. I couldn't help it. The sun was beaming right in my eyes. But I wanted to shoot it outdoors just to get a little idea out there. You guys let me know what you think. After that there is done, like I said, I'll put that at the end of the video. I just want to say, though, in closing, if you like my videos, and you got to take away from them, stuff like that, folks. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. My name is Rich Bassini. I will talk to you the next time. Have a great day, and keep making those videos out there, folks. People will love to see them. So, and I also, before I finish, I also like to say, as I always do in my closing videos, if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, and this goes out to all the new YouTubers out there, when it comes to creating videos, like I always say, 5 things: keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically. And the other 2, which are very important, is good titles and thumbnails. Follow that 5-step process, and I think you guys will be okay. I really do. And like I said again, I wish you guys all the best. Until next time, bye-bye for now. Hey guys, this is Rich Bassini here, your YouTube vlogger and creator. I'm over here testing out the K9 wireless microphone. As you can see, it's attached to my shirt collar over here, and we're just testing out. This is an audio test. I want to know what you guys think about it. We're going to test it out in a little bit. So again, this is the test with the K9 wireless microphone. Okay, thanks. Check out the other one. Now the next test is going to be without the microphone. Hey guys, this is Rich Bassini testing out the iPhone 8 without the microphone. It's just an audio test. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Again, this is an audio test, and I'm testing the microphone that comes with the iPhone 8. Let me know what you guys think.